behind the scenes with one of the stars from Stonecoat Countertops. He is my brother Mitch, and look at the project that we worked together on. It is absolutely beautiful. We have the giant island, all the cabinets I did with my brother Mike in the shop, and I actually poured this countertop, and it came out absolutely amazing. Look at the veins and the grains and the colors in that countertop. It came out beautiful. This is a dream kitchen that anyone would die for. It is absolutely beautiful. Almost as beautiful as this view.